Good morning, class. Welcome to your e-learning class. And today I am going to start multiplication. Topic is multiplication by 3-digit multiplier. Now, students, start from the process. If we multiplied 3-digit multiplier, at first multiply the ones digit, and second tens place digit, and third at the hundred place digit, and then add the all product. Now let's start. Students, 1 1 जा 1, 2 1 जा 2, 1 1 जा 1. Now in the second step, we multiplied multiplicand with the tens place digit. So at one place we put 0, and then 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, and 2 1 जा 2. Here again we multiplied with the 100 place digit. So ones place with 0 and tens place with 0, then 100 place. 1 1 जा 1, 2 1 जा 2, 1 1 जा 1, 1 4 6 4 1. Students, this step comes from 121 multiplied with the 1, and this step 121 multiplied with the 20, and this one is 121 multiplied with the 100, because at 100 place is 1, 10 place is 2, so write down 20, and 1 place is 1. Now common question number second. This is 4 4 जा 16, 7 4 जा 28 plus 1 29, 9 is here, 2 on the top, 4 2 जा 8 plus 2 10. We multiply with the tens place value. So put 0 on the unit place. 4 1 जा 4, 7 1 जा 7, 2 1 जा 2. Again this is the 100 place value. So put 0 on the ones place and tens place, and then 4 3 जा 12, 2 is there, and 1 write down here, and 7 3 जा 21 plus 1 22, 2, then 2 is there, 3 2 जा 6 plus 2 8, that is 6 13, 3 10 0 1 6 8. This is your required answer. This one is 274 multiplied with the 4, and this comes from 274 multiplied with the 10, and this 274 multiplied with the 300. And now question number third. 6 5 जा 30, 0 3, so put 3, 5 5 जा 25, put 0 on the unit place. This all comes 0 and 0 at unit place and 10 place. Then 6 2 ja 12 and 5 2 ja 10. 0 3 7 3. This is your required answer. Students, this is your 3-digit multiplication. This is your today's new topic, multiplication by multiples of 10, 100 and 1000. The steps for this type of multiplication is, at first we count the zeros to the extreme right and then multiply with the non-zero numbers and then put all zeros on the extreme right. So at first we multiplied with the non-zero digit, that is 3672 multiplied with the 1 is a number itself as your given property, 3672, and put 10 at the extreme right. This is your required answer. And now again we multiplied non-zero multiplier, that is 5679 is itself 5679, and extreme right we put 20. So 20 here, and this is 6972 multiplied with the non-zero multiplier, that is 2. So multiply guys, 2 to the 4 and 2 7 the 14. 4 is 1, 4 is here and 1 is now here, and 2 9 the 18 plus 1 19, 9, 1 is right on the top, 6 2 the 12, 6 2 the 12 plus 1 13, and put 30 on the extreme right. 1 2 3. Students, this is your required answer. Students, this is your another topic in multiplication, that is lattice multiplication. Lattice multiplication is a type of multiplication. We multiplied large. In this process we solve large multiplication using grid method by a smaller and the easier steps. In this question we have to multiply 1125 by 142. Here multiplicand is in 4 digits and multiplier is in 3 digits. We have to form a grid with a row and a column. So start to form a grid. We have to draw four boxes in vertical. That is 4. Write down here 1, 1, 2, 5, and 3 lines, 3 boxes in rows, 1, 2, 3. So put the value 1, 4, 2, and we have to divide the boxes silently. After multiplication, 1's place digit is write down here and 10's place digit is write down here. For this purpose, we separate the boxes. After each multiplication, 1's place will write here and 10's place will here. So start the multiplication. Now first 5 ones are 5. So 5 is in the 1's place digit and 10's place digit is 0. 2 ones are 2, that is 0 2. 1 ones are 1, that is 0 1. 1 ones are 1, that is 0 1. And now we multiply 5 fours are 20. 2 in the 10's place digit space and 1 in the unit place space. 4 twos are 8. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. Now again multiplied with the 5 cross 2 10. 2 cross 2 4, that is 0 4. 2 ones are 2, that is 0 2. 2 ones are 2, that is 0 2. In this method, now we start the adding the digit. Here are proper rule used, proper rule of addition. Look students, in this box which digit is 0, so put here 0 and now in this sector we add all digits, that is 4 plus 1 5. In this sector we write the addition of these boxes. So 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 8 15, 15 plus 2 17. 7 is here and 1 is on the top. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 2 9, and we add this box. This is 4 plus 1 5, and this one is, sum of this is 1. So write down here 1125 multiplied with the 142 is equals to, the process is write down is from this order: 1 5 9 7 5 0. By this method we multiply it very easily. So students, this is your required answer.